Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, September 3rd, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss, and we're on the 4-hour time frame. So on the US dollar Swiss, I'm still looking at this as possibly being the end of a pullback over here, and ever since that point, it's been making lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. So I really am looking to see if this move up right here is going to make another lower high and then go down and make another lower low, even though it's a very overlapping pattern. If it does continue to do that, then it is definitely trending on like the daily time frame. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, we definitely got like that double top at a Fibonacci level that we like to see, but it's this breaker structure, unfortunately, way down here that's going to confirm. This little breaker structure right here does nothing but tell me that this wave is over. I don't know that the whole move up is over and that we're going down to make new lows unless it breaks this low right here. Now, it's not like you have to wait for the break of structure. I mean, you could have entered way up here someplace, but if you're already short, then the break of structure is what's going to confirm that it's a good trade to potentially hold on to. If it does decide to make a higher low, and then golfing up, I would definitely get out of my shorts and patiently wait to see what happens for maybe more possible shorts in the future. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.